It's Tamika here from the Spotted Quoll Studio, one of Tassie's most iconic brands. What I wanted to do is talk to you today and sort of run you through what we do, why we do it, and why when you're buying from a small Tasmanian brand like us, things actually cost more. I'm actually going to show you the process, like if you were doing a factory tour with us. Come with me, guys, and let's have a chat. So let's talk base cloths, okay? Not all base cloths are made the same. So we only use natural fibres, only and ever, and they're organically grown. So our base cloths that we use are either organic cotton, pure linen, which is our premium base cloth, or a linen hemp blend, which is a beautiful heirloom quality, great for homewares and heavier garments like pants. Now, for us, yes, it's about the beautiful prints that we design, but really it's about the base cloth, what you're putting on your body and how that base cloth is going to wear, particularly good for those living in hot or cold climates. So all throughout Australia, a natural fibre is better for you, better for the environment, will either keep you cool or warm, depending on where you're living. Obviously here in Tassie, we need to keep warm more than we need to keep cool. So our quality base cloths are probably as iconic as our prints for us, but probably talked about a bit less than our beautiful prints. So once our fabrics arrive, then our fabrics go to beautiful Sally. This is Sal, our in-house fashion designer, also local Tasmanian. Sally then engineers the cuts or the styles for each of our best-selling products that we make, like the peasant dress, the boss pant, the Lady Jane top, all of our bestsellers, Sally has painstakingly engineered and created patterns that you can see up the back there on card, so we can then go on to the next process, which is cutting. So this is Tracy. Tracy's our in-house cutter, so everything's hand cut here on our table. What's special about Tracy's job is it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Tracy actually spends her days doing fabric jigsaw puzzles to ensure that we have less waste in our fabric cutting, because that actually in the fashion industry is one of the biggest ways that we can reduce waste that go into landfill, and that's by cutting less waste at the cutting table. So once we've done the cutting, or Tracy's done the cutting, everything's beautifully bundled in size packs, and then they come across, each garment comes across to our machinists. And this is beautiful Steph. She's on the machines today. She's one of our senior machinists, and she's actually making one of our beautiful corduroy winter blazers that she's working on at the moment. So each and every stitch is done here locally in Tasmania by Steph. So once all of that's completed, the cutting, the designing, the sewing, the making, then it comes through to our finishing department. And Sally's got a handful of beautiful customer orders here just at the moment, which she's pressing to go out either to our store, which is here in Launceston, or to your online orders. This is what's going on over here. So this is what we call our finishing department, where everything then heads out to you, our customer. So I'd like to talk a little bit more about thanking you for actually buying Australian made versus imported from China. What we're thanking you for is your vote, and every time you spend with a company like us or a small brand like us, you're actually voting with the dollar that you've spent for the world that you've decided on. So we all actually have a choice, me included, about where we spend our hard-earned cash, and cash is probably the hardest earned it's been in a long time. And every time you vote with your dollar, you are choosing the world that you want to exist in the future. And we actually really appreciate that, and thank you. And we also wanted to talk to you and show you the process of what you're actually paying for, so you understand why you actually pay more for Australian made.